Hello, investors. Earlier this week, we covered InMode, a medical device company that specializes in non-invasive plastic surgery. In our analysis, we determined that if we were just judging companies by the numbers, InMode should be pretty much an instant buy. Their growth and position looks so good that the stock price is undervalued. But as any intelligent investor should know, the numbers are only half of the input. The company's story is the other half. That half includes what are they selling, into what market, what are the risks, and how are they continuing to grow at such a good rate? So as part of my research into InMode this week, I want to know how they're investing in their growth. What are their focus areas? Well, one quick and easy way to see where they are investing in the near term is to check InMode's job openings. Usually you can go to a company's website to find a link to a careers page. I actually couldn't find it there, but a quick Google search led me to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great resource for company research. You can see what they are posting about and their latest marketing materials. Look, InMode has Eva Longoria as a brand ambassador. Neat. Really what I'm looking to see are job openings, and it looks like they have 15 job openings currently, most of which are practice development specialists. From reading the job description, this is a hybrid role of pre and post sales. It sounds like they assist in sales of their devices and also ensure that customers are using it properly and getting the value out of it they expect to. As a potential investor, I see pros and cons to this role. Pro, it tells me they are committed to the success of the product. You don't create roles like this if you build and sell products that just don't work. The downside of these roles as an investor is that they are hybrid. The description mentions some kind of quota element with some elements of post-sales. Hybrid roles are tough. I'll give you an analogy that stuck with me for a long time. About 10 years ago, I got into cycling and I was researching a bike to buy for myself. A friend of mine at the time told me to get a mountain bike because it's versatile and I could use it anywhere. If I was sure I was only going to ride on roads, then I should get a road bike. But whatever I do, don't get a hybrid. They're not particularly good on the road. They're definitely not good on trails. It's made to try and do everything, but the reality is it's good at nothing. I didn't listen. The sales guy at the bike store talked me into a hybrid, and a year after owning that bike, I upgraded to a road bike and haven't looked back since. I use that road bike to this day. Moral of the story, you can get away with hybrid, but it's not going to be the best at accomplishing the goal you have in mind. Now, is that what's actually happening here at InMode? I don't know. I love that I get to make YouTube videos where I pretend to have answers, but I end up with more questions than answers. My personal impression is that this is overall good for InMode. They're still pretty much a small company, less than 400 employees, so the fact that they are getting scrappy with this hybrid role seems okay to me. And the pro I mentioned earlier still holds true. They want their customers to be successful with the product, which means they truly believe the product to be good and valuable. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Go find some value.